Hi, and welcome to the last week of Basic Excel and Data Analysis Skills. This week, we'll be going through an overview of what we've learned in the past 5 weeks and also have a little discussion about ethics within the data industry. So over the last 5 weeks, we've gone through some basic Excel skills, including how to clean data, merging tables together, using simple formulas, how to correct common errors, and using some simple functions within Excel. For the analysis stage of data analytics, we've been using pivot tables to create some graphs. We've learned how to interpret some of your data and also how to build a report. Now on to our discussion this week on ethics within the data industry. Creating a high level of ethical standards to hold companies and governing bodies accountable to regarding how they collect, store, and use our personal data is of the utmost importance. In a recent survey, over 100% of people surveyed were certain they had received at least one email from a company they had never subscribed to. With an alarming monthly average of 39 deleted or unsubscribed emails, this suggests that companies that we deal with on a daily basis are more than willing to sell our personal data to anyone who will buy it. This graph shows how people feel about the government or companies collecting and storing their data. A whopping 70% of people are slightly uncomfortable when it comes to the government collecting and storing their data. In the same survey, however, when asked what kind of organisations they trusted the most, the government bodies and non-profit organisations came up trumps with 40% each, and private and public companies sharing the rest. So this suggests that although people aren't keen on having the government store their data, they're not too fussed about, they do trust the government to keep it safe. Okay, thank you very much for watching our 6-week course. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If you would like to know more about data and ethics, I've left a number of references for podcasts, reading material, and websites in my article, along with some more statistics that I found interesting to do with the survey. Thanks for watching. See you later.